The Samagra Kutumba Survey Act is going to be discussed in this section.
The bill number 401, the Samagra Kutumba Survey Act is going to be discussed in this session.
Honorable Speaker, I want to introduce Bill number 401, the Samagra Kutumba Survey Act, in order to weed out the ineligible and bogus beneficiaries of various government schemes and at the same time have a foolproof database of the needy on a single day, emphasizing the importance of accurate statistical data for the government to plan and execute various government schemes. We have decided to make up this ambitious intensive household survey called Samagra Kutumba Survey. This survey is to gather socio-economic data to help the state government plan for various welfare schemes every year.
All in the favor of Bill 401, please say yes. Those who are opposed, please say no. Carry on.
The bill number 401, the Samagra Kutumba Survey Act for every year is read for the first time.
Honorable Minister. Honorable Speaker, if this bill is introduced, the benefits of this bill are when we get the accurate details related to
This problem, we want to conduct this survey. That's what we need to conduct this survey, right? So that we may get accurate data. We don't have any accurate data till now, so we want to conduct this survey.
Honorable Opposition Member.
Honorable Speaker, if this bill is passed, the people who have enough lands will not give correct details, so that the government will believe them and give some more extra lands, so that these people will profit than the poor, and they also get, instead of pink cards, they may get white cards.
The debate process begins.
Honorable Speaker, if this bill is passed, the benefits are, now there are many illiterates. The fees reimbursement scheme is misused. So to overcome it, Samagra survey should be done.
Member.
Honorable Speaker, if this survey is to be conducted,
Why will you conduct this survey specially? Why? Do you have any answer? They can conduct the survey while conducting information about population, ration card, Aadhaar card. Why will they conduct this survey only specially in the total India? Honorable Government Member.
We can conduct related to different topics like ration card, all those, but they are not giving proper details. They are not giving accurate information. So we want everything at a time. They will give accurate information on that one day, because we are taking some major steps so that they should not. There are many cheaters, right? So we should have the accurate data. So that cheating, like many misuses are being done. Like if we provide one government scheme, 33% of that government scheme is being misused. To avoid this 33%, we want to conduct the survey on one day, so that everything comes in under the survey and there isn't any more buns. Only one day survey, everything will be done in this one day.
Honorable Opposition Member.
Honorable Speaker, the whole survey, the country, state, district, mandal, everything, how can you conduct on one day?
Honorable Government Member.
there are many government employees in our India. Why can't we conduct with help of them?
Honorable Opposition Member.
Who will conduct survey for those government employees?
Honorable Government Member.
Government employees can conduct for others and they can conduct for themselves.
Opposition Member.
Honorable Speaker, till now what the schemes, some schemes are there, like if scholarship. These are not applicable for the government employee students and for their children. But you don't want to give all the reservations for the government employees, but you want to use government employees for your survey.
Honorable government member.
Government employees itself is that they are working for government. When they want to work for government, then what is that in government? Government employees, they can work in private, right? They are in government, they should work for government.
Dear opposition member. If we conduct this survey only for one day, there will be crores of money. There is a huge loss of money. Private and public sectors will lose thousands of money. So how will you they lose money? So right. So how will you protect them? Government member.
They can conduct this survey by many means. That there is no need that the source of family should be a family. Nowadays, family members are also knowing their properties, everything. So they can say,
Honorable opposition member.
Honorable Speaker, okay, they will conduct the survey within a day. How can they complete that survey within a day?
Government member.
There are many government employees in this total country. Aren't there many members? Some crores of people are living. In that government employees, half of them are government employees. When these all go, all together, if they work, we can complete in one day. Why can't we complete in one day?
Honorable Speaker, what is the proof that they will give the correct information? What is the proof that if you allot some houses to the government employees, they may get irritated of them and they may give the wrong information. Again, a illegal thing is acting.
But how will collect for them? Do you think they are not people of India? How can you assure them?
See, it is not that beggars everything. Everyone, they have something shelter. There are many, these small houses. They can't. Everyone will go there. They are
Honorable Speaker, what about the people who are
living on the platforms? How will you say that they have houses? Every day they will sleep in wherever they want.
That's what.
That is their home.
That's
You
what.
assure that that is home.
That's what we are saying. Indirama, is for BPL people who don't have houses. This is
But this is not. But that is not.
Indirama Illulu is being misused. See, these people who are sleeping in this we want to give these houses.
But the government is misusing that Indirama houses.
It is being
Only APL people are using. How BPL? How people conduct for once?
APL people is Honorable Speaker, I want to add up to my friend point. This Indirama houses, all APL people are only using. That's what I am saying. To implement all this, first you are implement the laws. Your government and you are implementing the laws. After 5 years, another government will come. They will implement the laws. These schemes will go on. At the future, once in the future, only schemes will be. No implementation and no follow.
That's what we are saying. We should follow this scheme. That time only our country, developing India, will become developed India. So we want support from everyone. Everyone, when they encourage only, our India can be developed. When we have this particular accurate data, that time only this government schemes would run in a proper way. When we don't have any particular data, no government scheme, no nothing can change nothing.
Every baker is an Indian. Do you know? But that who will collect for them data? He say.
Honorable Speaker, I want to add up to my friend point. These basket makers and they all migrate to us. So then you are going to collect information from them also. Wherever the people lives, if in a family, 4 members, 1 daughter and 1 son. One son will be in Hyderabad, if you think, and one will be in some other state. So how are you going to collect his data? So for this Samagra Kutumba survey, you will take 2 days. You will set out all the factories, industries, everything, and how many crores of rupees is lost this one. And that I was not taking information.
Who will say that to the people? I want to add up to my friend that if what India will develop that if the beggars get shelter only under the tree, then beggars will be as beggar, richer will be as richer. How India will develop? And how will make sure that people will again how will that people will somewhat try to get some money. All people are taking. How will get the beggars homeless where they go?
Yes, that's what we are saying. Where they will go? Where they will go? When these APL people are in